Hello everyone. We are going to see about colors in CSS. In CSS, colors can be specified using various formats, including named color, hexadecimal color, RGB values, RGBA values, HSL values, and HSLA values. And now I am going to show the code how we can give a color to our HTML. First, I am going to create a div with a class name container. Inside that, I am going to give a h1 of title and a p with class name para. Now I can show you how to give a CSS for this using for colors. Now I am going to take a h1 selector and I am going to give a color of red. This is a color named color or predefined color keyword in CSS. They provide an easy way to specify common colors without having a remember of hexadecimal or RGB values. If I save, see the title has changed to red. Next, we can see the hexadecimal color. Hexadecimal color are represented as the combination of 6 characters preceded by a hash symbol. Each pair of characters represents the intensity of red, green, and blue respectively, ranging from 00 to FF. For default 0 to 255 in decimal. Now I can show how to give a hexadecimal value. For this I am going to take a class selector. I am going to give a background color. Now if I save, you can see this is how we want to give a hexa color. See, the background has changed for the paragraph. Next we can see about RGB colors. RGB colors are represented as the combination of 3 values for red, green and blue respectively, each ranging from 0 to 125. They provide more precise control over color than named colors. Now I will show how to give a RGB color. For this I am going to take a class selector with a container. Now I am going to give a border for our container. Border. I am going to give a border width of 1 pixel and a solid and a color of RGB color. RGB of red as 0, green as 0 and blue as 255. If I save, you can see a border around a title and paragraph. If we want, we can increase this border. Next we can see about units and size in CSS. In CSS, there are various units available for specific site, including absolute unit like pixels and relative units like percentage, EM and REM. I can explain with the code. For this, I am going to give a div with a class container and another div with the class of box. Now I am going to style. First we are going to see using pixel. Now I am going to take a class with the box. I am going to give a width for a box of 100 pixel and height also 100 pixel, and I am going to give a background color for a box. Background color red. If I save, you can see a box with the pixel. Next we can see using percentage. Now I am going to take a container with a class. I'm going to give a width of 50% and margin of top and bottom 0 and left and right. I'm going to give a auto. Next I'm going to take a box. Here I am going to give a font size of 1.5 RE. EM. Next we are going to see REM dot container. Here I am going to give a font size of 16 pixel and a box of width of 10 REM and height of 10 REM. The REM works with the box is a 10 times the base font size of pixel. If the pixel is 16 pixel, it will REM is into 10 times 160 pixel. This is how the REM will work. If I now save it, you can see it will the width and the size width and height has increased. This is how the size and units will work in CSS.